I'd like to do a quick little demo video of this Hunter 60-inch Reveille ceiling fan. Come in that box right there, and I installed it here in the workshop area of my garage. That's it. It's a nice, attractive fan. It has reversible blades. It's remote controlled. You cut it on. And it has 3 speeds. That's low, medium, and high. And it'll put out a lot of air. Comes with LED lights, 3 LED lights. Put out plenty of light, good white light. That's the 60-inch Hunter Reveille fan. And if you'd like the more information on this, see my review of this fan on the Home Depot website. Thank you.